Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and today I'm participating on the Christmas DIY Gifts and Trash to Treasure hosted by Heidi Sonboul and BlondieNextDoor, and they wanted us to take trash and make it treasure. So I'm gonna make a lantern with something I found on the trash. This you can see here, it's what I found, and I took those dowels off because everything else was just broken and it wasn't useful. And I'm so happy I took those dowels off because we're gonna use this as a base for our lantern, and we're gonna use some floral from last year from Walmart. These are the ones that I'm using. This lantern I had here at home, some of that black paint from Folk Art, 2 styrofoam balls, a dowel like that one, spray paint from Walmart, this is the cheapest one I found, and that wood that we're gonna use, a piece of wood, and a bow. Now let's get started. First we're gonna assemble our base by adding hot glue and the dowel, the bigger one, to our base, and now we're adding those smaller dowels to the sides of our bigger dowel. I don't know if I'm explaining myself with that, but as you can see here, I'm just gluing them to the sides like that. And now I'm gonna add the styrofoam ball to the end of the dowel, to both of them. And I'm having some issues with my glue gun as you can see there. And after I get some hot glue to my styrofoam ball, I add it to one of the ends, and then we're gonna take that wood piece and cut it to the size of our lantern, and we're gonna glue it on the top part with lots of glue. But you should use some E6000 first. Now I'm spray painting it, and while that dries, I'm gonna flock those picks you see there using white paint from Walmart, the apple barrel white paint. And I'm flocking all of that, including the pine cones, the pine that you see there, I think that's greenery. And I'm gonna flock also the berries. Just like that, we flock everything because I want that snowy look on my cute lantern. And now I'm flocking the berries, something simple, just some paint. And now we're gonna take that and our lantern, and we're gonna add our pick to our lantern and our bow. For that, I'm gonna use just one because it was too much, 2 of those picks. So I'm taking one of those like that, and I'm gonna spread it. Okay, I'm gonna spread it like that and hang it using the bigger dowel and the smaller dowels as some support. And now I'm tying my pipe cleaner to the back, and I'm gonna fluff that bow, and that will be it. We add our lantern to the top. I'm not gluing it because I want to be able to turn it on and off, and that will be it. As soon as we fluff it, we will have our lantern. And this is how it turned out. As you can see, we have our bow with our swag over here, our lantern over there, and our base. And this is how it looks. It's so beautiful. I love it. In the description box down below, I'm gonna leave you the link to the playlist and also to both of our challenge hosts. I just want to take this opportunity to thank them for bringing us this awesome challenge. I love how this turned out. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching these type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.